Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the one-time boot menu on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14s. The one-time boot menu lets you select a different device that you are typically booting from, so you can boot from a USB drive, from network, from an external drive, or if you have a CD-ROM plugged in CD-ROM reader, then you can also simply boot from that, whatever you wish. And to do it, you need to first shut down your laptop. So either do it with the power key in the system, or press and hold on the power button itself on the right side of the chassis. Of course, on this laptop the power button is not on the keyboard, it's on the right side, like on the right edge. And once it's off, wait for 15 to 20 seconds, then press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard. By the way, one more thing, before you turn on your laptop, if that's an external device you want to boot from, plug it in before you turn the laptop on. And now you're in the boot menu. You can use the arrows to simply select the boot device, then click on enter to boot off of that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.